Hey, glow-getters! Want radiant skin? We have a secret for you. It's easy and uses natural stuff. Get ready for the Ice Cube and Aloe Vera facial. It's going to change your skin game. This isn't just any beauty tip, it's a power combo. Aloe Vera soothes and hydrates. Ice Cubes tighten and wake up your skin. Get ready to shine. Aloe Vera is amazing. It's like a tall drink of water for your skin. It's packed with vitamins and antioxidants. They make your skin healthy and happy. Aloe Vera calms redness and reduces puffiness. Sunburn? Aloe Vera helps. It's a natural way to get that dewy glow. Ice cubes are like a magic trick for your face. They shrink pores, making your skin look smooth. They also boost circulation, bringing more blood and oxygen to the surface. The cold temperature wakes up your skin. Say goodbye to tired eyes and hello to a refreshed look. Let's get this glow on. Your step-by-step guide. Ready to glow? Here's your guide. First, grab your ingredients. You'll need fresh aloe, vera gel, and ice cubes. You can use plain water or brew some green tea for an extra antioxidant boost. Next, prep your skin. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Then apply aloe vera. Spread a thin layer of aloe vera gel all over your face and neck. Now ice baby. Wrap an ice cube in a soft cloth or use an ice roller. Gently massage your face in circular motions for a few minutes. Finally, rinse and glow. Splash your face with cool water and pat it dry. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Sharing is caring. Spread the glowing news. See, easy and effective. Regular ice cube and aloe vera facials will leave your skin feeling refreshed, revitalized, and oh so glowy. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Now go on, try it out and let me know how much you love it. Share your glowing selfies and tag me on social media. Let's spread the love for naturally beautiful skin.